morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Aman Grover, and I'm running for the president of Student Council this year, class of 2018. First of all, let me thank you, everybody, for acknowledging the fact that we did a lot of meetups this year. We made so many connections in India, in Singapore, and this is where we start. So let's move on to the council objectives this year. First of all, we'll be building up NUS brand image. And with that, if we give you the right network and some right skills, and we help you engage with the part-timers and get their information of Singapore, of the market, what do we get? We get the right jobs. So how do we build up the NUS brand image? We'll be leveraging your diversity, your connections, along with my connections, and we'll give it back to you. We'll be coming and participating a lot of events globally. We'll be organizing a lot of business talks with the industry experts, and we understand the importance of social media, and we'll be creating an impact with that. How do we redefine networking? So this year, we'll be helping you build up 3 networks from your home country, 2 networks in Singapore. We're going to make sure that you build in this relationship. You invest in this relationship and sort of try to get jobs for yourself. We'll be there supporting you through Gano, but if it's not happening, don't worry, we have your back. CSO has your back. And we have the approach of measuring your growth, the 50-day email plan that you must have read in the presentations that I gave you. Next thing is 500 days of skill development. This is a new thing that we're doing this year. We are going to be here for 500 days. We want you to choose your career coaches. You see this guy there? Know him better, because he's going to teach you a lot. He can be a senior. He can be an industry expert. He can be somebody from your professors, I am choosing Aparna Mahadevan as my career coach because I spent some time with her in the and you know what I got from there? This thing. You know what is this? This is a representation of a transformative approach that I learned in the MC camp. This is what I earned from there. Next, very important thing is we'll be building up partnerships this year. So all the full-timers, engage with the part-timers there. Call them for events. If they are not able to come for the events, attend the events, send a two-liner email to them, sharing your objective, sharing what you learned. We have to build partnerships with them. You see a nice guy up there? Maybe you have in the presentation, right? It's not visible up here. This guy is gonna be the part-timer representative of class of 2018 this year. He will be directly liaising with the student council just to make sure the part-timers' objectives are also achieved. And let me tell you something. This is, if you want something, you have to vote for your own roll number 1, as you affectionately call me. So I'm somebody, I've been in this position. I was the student leader in my junior college, and I've held several leadership positions. I understand what it takes to be there. I can be the face of NUS MBA. Thank you very much.